In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print checks in QuickBooks Online, a process that is straightforward yet essential for managing your business finances efficiently. Whether you're paying vendors, contractors, or other operational expenses, knowing how to handle checks through QuickBooks will streamline your workflow and ensure accuracy in your bookkeeping. To start, you'll want to navigate to the New button, which is conveniently located at the top left of your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu with various options for transactions you can initiate. From here, select the option labeled Check. This is your gateway to creating a check transaction within QuickBooks. Now that you're in the check creation screen, it's time to input all the details of your check transaction. Here you'll want to ensure you include crucial information such as the payee, which might be a vendor or a service provider. Enter the date and amount. Double-checking this information is important since inaccuracies can lead to financial discrepancies. You'll also find a memo field that can be helpful for adding notes or context related to this particular transaction, making records easier to review in the future. Once all the necessary details have been filled out and double-checked for accuracy, the next step is to locate the Print Check button at the bottom of the screen. This initiates the printing process, allowing you to produce a physical copy for your records or distribution. If this is your first time printing checks from QuickBooks, you'll encounter a printing setup wizard. This wizard is designed to guide you through the setup process to ensure that your check alignment and printing configurations are correct. Simply follow the prompts provided by the setup tool. It will walk you through steps such as aligning the check forms and ensuring your printer settings are optimized for check printing. This setup process is crucial too, as it prevents misalignment and wastage of pre-printed check stock. And that's all there is to it. Creating and printing checks in QuickBooks Online can significantly simplify your bookkeeping tasks, keeping everything organized and professional. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your checks are issued accurately, enhancing your financial management processes and saving you time and potential errors down the road. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on the process.